Hi, my name is Doug Wheeler. I'm working with Florida TaxWatch and the Coalition for Clarity in Florida Tax Law on a very important taxation issue that is affecting businesses around the state of Florida. And joining me today is Dennis Manelli with Gulf Marine. So let me just set the issue a little bit. The issue we're talking about today is government leaseholds. Government leasehold is where a non-governmental entity is leasing governmental property for a certain purpose, in this case, a public or municipal purpose, whether it's at a seaport, a spaceport, or even an airport. And unfortunately, current statutes relative to this issue, we feel fall really short of good tax policy, which we feel involves fairness, simplicity, transparency, and ease of administration. And so, Dennis, if you would, just talk for a few minutes about how you and Gulf Marine find yourself, unfortunately, dealing with some of the consequences of this government leasehold issue as it applies to Gulf Marine.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Doug. I'm Dennis Manelli. I'm the general counsel of Gulf Marine. Gulf Marine is a company owned by the Hendry family that has been in the maritime business here in Tampa Bay for 96 years. Also, we're 49% owned by an ESOP, so the employees own 49% of our company. We're a small business pursuant to SBA regulations. We have a shipyard here that we operate in Tampa. We perform essential services to repair Jones Act vessels, which are U.S. flagged vessels that serve the United States. They don't serve foreign commerce. And also we repair United States Coast Guard vessels. As you mentioned, property that's leased from an airport or port or spaceport that traditionally it had been exempt from property taxes. But in the late 90s, there was a case that came out where the court said that Sebring Raceway had to be pay taxes because the use they were doing was really not a governmental purpose. Right after that case came out, the property appraiser revoked all the exemptions in the port, and I believe the airport too. The legislature passed a law which would exempt properties, again, leased in a port or an airport that are used for a port or maritime purpose, or for airports for a airport or aviation purpose. It was really in flux because the property appraiser was not really recognizing the statute until there was a case in 2012. When I found out about the case, I said, well, we have some settled law here. And so Gulf Marine sought the exemption. Gulf Marine won at the administrative level, which is the Value Adjustment Board, but the property appraiser did not agree with that. And the property appraiser sued Gulf Marine to remove the exemption that the Value Adjustment Board granted. Our property appraiser has stated that he is standing up to wealthy corporations who don't like to pay taxes. And that's just not true. That's unfair. In the case of Gulf Marine, we're a family owned, and our employee owners perform many dangerous tasks. They perform hard work. They repair critical infrastructure for our commerce, our economy. They take great pride in their work. It's demanding, but they know it's vital to the transportation industry, and that's why they do it. Companies like Gulf Marine make up the backbone of our economy, small businesses such as ours. Frankly, I believe the property appraiser should respect the laws passed by the legislature. We need to have some certainty that businesses that move here to Florida and they believe they're getting an exemption, it needs to remain in place during the term of their lease.